Hello, good morning, friends. Today we are going to start a new topic of chemistry, that is solutions. In last year or in last class, we have already learned about mixture, types of mixture, as well as a definition of a solution. We know that a mixture is a combination of two or more than two substances. Once again, the mixture is a combination of two or more than two substances. For example, a air is a mixture of a different gases present in atmosphere, while a rock is a mixture of two or more than two minerals. Hence, these are the mixtures. On the basis of a size of particles or substance present in the mixtures are classified into various types. These are a coarse, colloidal mixture, as well as a true solution. When the particle size is very bigger, they are called as a coarse solution. When a particle size is a medium, they are known as a colloidal solution. When a particle size in a mixture is very small, very less, or less than 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, then these are called as a true solutions. Okay? Today, we are going to learn about a solution, various types of solutions, a solubility, and the factors affecting on the solubility. We all know that a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two of pure substance. Once again, a mixture is nothing but it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two pure substances. A solution always contains a solvent as well as salt. A true solution consists of a solvent and one or more solute. Once again, आपल्याला माहित आहे सगळ्यांना की solution is nothing but it is the mixture of two or more than two pure components or a substance. A true solution in which a particle size is very less. We cannot see this dispersed particle with our naked eyes. Hence, a solution which is the combination of a solute and a solvent. That is, a solute plus solvent are collectively called as a solution. We all know about the definition of solute and solvent. हे आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. सोल्यूट कोणाला म्हणायचं, सॉल्व्हंट कोणाला म्हणायचं आणि आपण सोल्युशन कोणाला म्हणतो. A solute is a part of substance, or solute is a substance which is present in less amount in the solution. की असा substance which is present in less amount. While a solvent is a component which is present in more proportion, more amount in the solution. And the combination of these solute and solvent are collectively called as a solution. There are various kinds of solutions. When solution contains a solvent and only one solute, for example, water plus a sugar, a solution is known as a binary solution. When the solution contains only two components, the solution is called as a binary solution. When solution containing three components, that is solvent plus two solutes which are soluble in the solvent, tertiary solution, so on. When it contains 4 component, 5 component and so on, the solution at least contain one solute and one solvent. Such solution is called as a binary solution. Today we are going to discuss about only binary solutions in this chapter. That is a solution of solid into liquid, a solution of solid into solid, a solution of a gas into liquid and so on. We are going to learn only a binary solution, that is a mixture of only one solvent and solute in this chapter. The solutions are classified into various types depending upon a different condition. की वेगवेगळ्या कंडिशननुसार solutions are classified into different types. Here, depending upon the physical states of the solute and solvent, solutions are classified into 9 types as. On the basis of physical states of solute and solvent, solutions are classified into 9 types. तुम्ही तुमच्या स्क्रीनवरती बघू शकता, तुम्हाला दिसतंय तिथे की on the basis of physical state of solute and solvent, solutions are classified into 9 types. So for example, states of solute. Solute ची physical state काय आहे, solvent ची physical state काय आहे आणि काही एक्झाम्पल्स तिथे आपल्याला दाखवतो. आता solute म्हणजे काय म्हटलं आपण, which is present in small extent, while a solvent which is present in a large extent. सगळ्यात सोपं बेटर एक्झाम्पल, टुडेज रेनी सीझन, सध्या पावसाळा आहे, जेव्हा जेव्हा पाऊस पडतो, इट इज ऑल्सो अन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अ सोल्युशन्स. दॅट इज अ वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल, water droplets, that is a liquid state, dispersed into atmosphere, that is the gaseous states. म्हणजे कमी अमाऊंट मध्ये कोण आहे, लेस एक्सटेंट मध्ये कोण आहे, लेस प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये कोण आहे, these are the water droplets. While maximum amount, more proportion, atmosphere, that is the gas. Hence, rain is also a solution of one kind in which the physical state of solute is a liquid and solvent is a gas. ह्याच प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या फिजिकल स्टेटनुसार सोल्यूट आणि सॉल्व्हंटच्या सोल्युशनचे देर आर 9 डिफरंट टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन काय दिसतंय आपल्याला, गिवन सोल्यूट इज प्रेझेंट इन अ सॉलिड स्टेट and a solvent is present in a liquid state. Most commonly, for example, a 5 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 gram of water, 100 ml of water. A 5 is very less amount than 100. Here, a solute is present in a solid state and solvent is a liquid. म्हणून एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही घेऊ शकता त्या टाईपचा, शुगर इन वॉटर, सॉल्ट इन वॉटर, सी वॉटर. सी वॉटर मध्ये काय असतंय, अ सॉल्ट आर डिस्पर्स्ड इनटू वॉटर, म्हणून सी वॉटर इज ऑल्सो एक्झाम्पल. अ बेंजोइक ऍसिड इन अ बेंजीन, little amount of benzoic acid dissolved into benzene. Then second type, when the physical state of solute is a solid as well as a solvent is also present in a solid state. Both solute and solvent both are present in only one physical state which is solid. आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे आपण alloy कशाला म्हणतो, की alloy is a mixture of two or more than two metals and all. For example, metal alloys such as a brass, bronze. त्यामध्ये काही प्रमाणात वन मेटलचं प्रपोर्शन लेस आहे, त्याचं बाकीचं असं त्याचं प्रपोर्शन काय असणार आहे, मॅक्झिमम असणार आहे. हेच इट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सॉलिड्स. When a physical state of solute is a solid, a physical state of a solvent is a gas. बघा, solid and gas. Physical state which is present in a less proportion present in a solid state. Highest proportion present in a gas state. Iodine in a water. Iodine in air. The iodine crystals sprayed into atmosphere. You have the common example, dust. A dust particle spreads into atmosphere. Fourth kind, liquids. Solute and solvent both are present in the liquid state. Example, gasoline, ethanol in water or water in ethanol. त्यांचं proportion वेगवेगळं आहे. Ethanol in water, here ethanol which is present in a liquid state is the solid. Water which is present in a more proportion are present in a liquid state. Hence ethanol in water. त्याचा रिव्हर्स जर आपण केलं तर water in ethanol, less proportion मध्ये water घ्या, which can act as a solute. Maximum proportion मध्ये ethanol घ्या, it can act as a solvent. Hence, these are the examples of liquids. Then liquid solid. The solute are present in a liquid state and solvent which are present in a solid state. Amalgam of mercury with metals or mercury in a silver. म्हणजे ज्याचं proportion कमी हा liquid state मध्ये आणि solvent are present in the solid state. Gas and liquid. आता सुरुवातीला आपण example बघितलं. The solutes are present in the gaseous states. While solvent in a liquid state. तुम्ही सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स काय असतं. काय असतंय, जेव्हा तुम्ही बॉटल शेक कराल, ओपन कराल, इफरवन्सेस येतात, कार्बन डायऑक्साईड गॅस तिथनं बाहेर येतोय, कार्बोनेटेड वॉटर, CO2 इन वॉटर किंवा ऑक्सिजनेटेड वॉटर. मॅक्झिमम अमाऊंट ऑफ ऑक्सिजन प्रेझेंट इन अ गॅसेस स्टेट्स are dissolved in a liquid water, that is oxygen in a water. Gas solid, hydrogen in a palladium, etc. किंवा तुम्ही पिमिक स्टोन घ्या, ज्याला पोरस असेल, स्टोन सॉलिड स्टेट ऍक्ट ॲज अ सॉल्वंट, त्यामध्ये डिपॉझिट झालेला स्टोअर झालेला गॅस त्याच्या सरफेसवरती गॅस. बोथ solute and solvent, that is less and maximum amount, both are present in the gas system. For example, here a combination of different kinds of gases, oxygen, nitrogen, argon and other gases, these are the mixture of gas and gas. Hence, on the basis of the physical states of solute as well as solvent, solutions are classified into 9 types. These are, आता ती सगळीच्या सगळी क्लास आपण काय केली, डिफाईन केली. मग आपल्याला आणखीन काही टाइप्स बघायचे सोल्युशन. आता जे आपण बघितलं ते कशाच्या बेसिसवर होते, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फिजिकल स्टेट. नेक्स्ट टाइप्स आपल्याला बघायचं, सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन, सुपर सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन and unsaturated solution. की सुपर सॅच्युरेटेड म्हणजे काय, सॅच्युरेटेड म्हणजे काय किंवा अनसॅच्युरेटेड म्हणजे काय. This classification of solution depends upon the amount of solute present in the solution. These types of solution are present on the basis of amount of solute dissolved in the solution. First one, a saturated solution. A saturated solution is the solution which contains maximum amount of solute dissolved in given amount of solvent at given temperature. फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादं बिकर घेतला, त्यामध्ये वॉटर घ्या, शुगर घ्या, त्याला डिझॉल्व्ह करत चालला. प्रत्येक वेळी शुगर ऍड केली की त्याला स्टर करा, स्टर करा, स्टर करा. मॅक्झिमम कॅपॅसिटी of sugar which can dissolve in given amount of water and at constant temperature. That is, saturated solution is solution which contain a maximum amount of solute dissolved in given amount of a solvent at given temperature. Here, in a saturated solution, a solvent hold as much solute as is possible at that temperature. या सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन मध्ये सॉल्वंट कॅन होल्ड मच अमाऊंट ऑफ सोल्युशन. त्याला जेवढं शक्य ॲज पॉसिबल ॲज इट कॅन होल्ड दी सोल्युट्स. अ डिझॉल्व्ड सोल्यूट इन सॅच्युरेटेड सोल्युशन इज अ डायनामिक इक्विलिब्रियम विथ सोल्यूट पार्टिकल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक स्टेज अशी त्या सॉल्वंटची कॅपॅसिटी संपली की दे इट मस्ट बी अ डायनामिक. A solute plus solvent is equal to solution. The crystal dissolves into solvent, goes into solution. While at similar time, at equilibrium condition, crystals from solution again comes back in the form of a solid state. That is, a saturated solution is nothing but a solution which contains the maximum amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent, and that is maximum capacity solvent utilized. A second case, a super saturated solution. म्हणजे आता आपण जी शुगर ऍड करत होतो, मॅक्झिमम कॅपॅसिटी 100 ml सॉल्वंटची संपलेली. इफ वी ऍडेड मोर अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर क्रिस्टल्स, व्हॉट विल हॅपन? अ सॉल्वंट होल्ड मोर सोल्यूट दॅन as normally possible as that temperature. की त्या टेम्परेचरला त्याला जेवढं शक्य होतं त्यापेक्षा जास्त सॉल्वंट होल्ड्स मोर सोल्यूट दॅन ॲज नॉर्मली पॉसिबल ॲट दॅट टेम्परेचर. These solutions, the super saturated solution, are always unstable in nature. एकदा सोल्युशन फॉर्म झालं की हायली अनस्टेबल. Here crystallization can usually be stimulated by adding. A crystallization can usually be stimulated by adding seed crystals or scratching the side of the flower. This is a super. आपण क्लासिफिकेशन बघत होतो. लास्ट unsaturated solution. A saturated solution, the maximum amount of solution is super saturated solution. Solvent holds more amount of solute as possible at given temperature. While in unsaturated solution, a solution contains less amount of solute dissolved in given amount of solvent at a given temperature. For example, if 100 ml or 100 gram of water can dissolve a maximum of 5 grams of a sugar, then it is a saturated solution. If this solution contains less than 5 gram of a solvent, then such kind of solution is known as an unsaturated solution. That is, a solution which contains less amount of solute dissolved in given amount of a solvent. या प्रकारे, in this way, we have already discussed about the classification of solution on the basis of a physical state of solute and solvent, as well as the amount of solute present in the solvent or solution. There are different kinds of a solution. In next video, we are going to learn about a solubility and factors affecting the solubility.